This tutorial will explain how the coronary heights can be measured. This can be done either on the stretched vessel view or the double oblique views. Both ways will be explained. We will start with measuring them on the stretched vessel view. The first step is to locate a coronary ostia. This can be done on either the stretched vessel view or the perpendicular plane. Rotate the stretched vessel view until one of the coronaries appears into view. You can use the cursor line in the perpendicular view to assess if it is the right or the left coronary. Move the cursor line to the start of the ostium. Right-click on the cursor line and select the corresponding label. The other coronary can be found by rotating the stretched vessel further, or by locating it on the perpendicular plane. Scroll through the perpendicular plane to find the right coronary. We know it branches of around the right cusp. Once you have located it, rotate the intersection line so it passes through the right coronary ostium. Now it is visible in the stretched vessel view. Because the right coronary can come from the top, defining the ostium on the stretched vessel view can be more difficult. You can use the perpendicular view to determine where the ostium starts exactly. Once you have determined the position, right-click on the cursor line and assign a label. To perform the measurements on the double oblique view, change the stretched vessel view to the double oblique. Click on the view selector on top of the viewport to do this. Click on the basal plane in the image to jump to this height. Rotate the double oblique view until you see the coronary. Use the ruler tool on the right and measure from the basal plane to the start of the ostium. These measurements can also be labeled by right-clicking on the measurement. Depending on the anatomy of the patient, there can be a small difference between the measurement on the stretched vessel and the double oblique view.